Hi everybody, Marco Carbajo here from businesscreditbuilders.org. Today's video is the best net 30 accounts for new business. We're going to share with you our top 8 easy approval vendors for you. For those of you who are a startup or existing business, you want to start building business credit quickly with the 3 major business credit bureaus, Dun & Bradstreet, Experian Commercial, and Equifax Business. This is the video for you because these particular vendors don't require a personal credit check, do not require a personal guarantee, don't require any type of revenue requirements or anything like that. And this will help you build business credit quickly. Most importantly is these vendors provide products and services that you actually need. Okay, so let's get started. So before you actually apply for a net 30 account and you start building your business credit, it's important to get credit ready. You hear a lot of different videos out there talk about corporate compliance, they talk about being credit ready for your business. So let's go over that quick information before you actually start applying for these net 30 vendors accounts. So first is your business identification. You want to make sure obviously you have all your ducks in a row. You have obviously your business name, you have your business address established, you have your business phone number, your business email address, your company website, your business bank account set up, you have a DUNS number already ready, you already applied for your DUNS number, because those are things you want to have set up before you actually start applying for credit. So with getting your business identification information ready, you obviously are going to form your business identity. You want to incorporate whether you're an LLC or a corporation. You're going to apply for your employer identification number, your EIN. That employer identification number is going to be a very important number because it's going to be what's used to create your credit file. Just like your social security number is used to identify you when you apply for personal credit, they pull your credit report via your social security number. Your identification number, your EIN, is also going to be used many times on credit applications for your business for them to search and pull up your business credit report, whether it's with D&B, Experian Commercial, or Equifax Business. Now, each of the business credit bureaus also establish your own identifying number within the bureau. For example, Dun & Bradstreet has a DUNS number. That your DUNS number is your number that's used to pull your Dun & Bradstreet credit report. Experian Commercial has the BIN number, your business identification number. So each of them have their own identifying number, but your EIN is what's used from the IRS when you file your tax returns, etc. It also creates your separate credit file. You want to make sure you have your business licenses and permits established and set up if required. Depending on what type of business in, if you're just an online business, obviously you may not need some business licenses and permits. But if you're like a brick and mortar location, like a hair salon, or you have a pet care business, then obviously you're going to need certain permits, whether locally or state level, etc. Now, you want to make sure you establish your business bank account in your company's name. You have that set up. You don't need to have a certain amount for when you're applying for these net 30 accounts, but you want to have your business bank account at least set up. You want to know the classification of your business. So depending on what industry you're involved in, you want to make sure you identify that classification code. So you can look up SIC and NAICS. You want to make sure you know what those codes are, because at any time if an application requires it in the future, you want to make sure you know what your classification code is. And your DUNS number. So you're going to apply for a DUNS number. Watch this video right here. We share with you how to get your DUNS number absolutely free. And you can get it within 30 days, or you can get it in 5 days if you want to pay for it. But you want to have your DUNS number, because some of the vendors here do require you to have a DUNS number. Why? So they can actually report your data to Dun & Bradstreet. Also, they may even pull your D&B report, but don't worry, you don't have to have a D&B report. You just have to have a DUNS number for these easy approval net 30 vendors. Okay, so once you have that all set up, then you're going to ready to start applying for these easy approval net 30 vendors. But your digital footprint is very important. So one of the easiest things, we talked about this in a video, is go to listyourself.net and then put your information there. That way you can at least get listed on there. So that's listyourself.net. So let's start with number 1 is a company called CEO Creative. Vendorcreditline.com. You want to go there. That's the link we have set up to take you right to CEO Creative website. And now, with CEO Creative, they offer a lot of different products and services. So I want to kind of share with you what actually do they have available. It's pretty unique. CEO Creative has a lot of branded merchandise. There's basically anything you can possibly think of they have available to you. You can customize some promotional items for your employees or as gifts or etc. But they have everything you need on their particular website. You only need to be 30 days in business. That's about as easy as it gets. Okay, they'll issue you a $1,100 credit limit. There's no personal credit check. There's no personal guarantee for this to get a Net 30 account with $1,100 credit limit. All they require is a $49 yearly membership, and then you can buy all their products and services on credit. Best of all, they report to Equifax Business and Credit Safe. So Equifax Business, this will give you a trade line with Equifax and a trade line with Credit Safe. Credit Safe is an international business credit bureau, but they now also have, they do U.S. Credit reporting for businesses. But that's a fourth business credit bureau that you may not be familiar with, but it's important to get listed with them as well. We've done videos about them. You can get a 10% off coupon code if you use BCIC10. So on your orders, just use our coupon code and you'll get that discount. But go to vendorcreditline.com. This is easy approval Net 30 vendor number 1. Okay, let's talk about the second one. Is JJ Gold International. Apply at net30gold.com. Now, JJ Gold, what do they offer on their website? Let's take you right there to it real quick. They have a lot of different more like personal care products, sunglasses, beauty care products. So it's pretty neat, all the things they have. And these could be very good gifts you can give during the holidays to your employees. Or you can give it as promotional gifts, etc. But they have virtually a whole bunch, huge selection of gift sets, etc. So that's a really exciting Net 30 vendor to get set up with. They also require you only 30 days in business, no personal credit check, no personal guarantee, and their minimum purchase is only $80 for them. Okay, and you do have to put 30% down to process your order. So that's the down payment, very small. So like I said, the barrier to entry is very, very small with these Net 30 accounts. Best of all, they report to Dun & Bradstreet, Equifax Business, and Credit Safe. So this is going to get you a trade line reporting to Dun & Bradstreet, another trade line reporting to Equifax Business, and another trade line with Credit Safe. So you see how simple this is to start building up and ramping up your business credit reports. Okay, so that's the number 2 easy approval Net 30 vendor. Let's talk about number 3 is Shirtsy. You go to net30account.com. Let's talk about Shirtsy. Shirtsy has, let me pull it up here. They have more promotional wear, so that's where you can get custom clothing, pillowcases, you can get t-shirts, a whole bunch of different promotional items and personal wear. They have a men's shop and a woman's shop. It's customizable. So they have a lot of different things on their website that you obviously can use to promote your business through wearing promotional shirts. You can give your employees materials to promote your business as well. They even have shoes that they sell. Okay, but their requirement is $99 annual membership fee to get set up with Shirtsy. They give you a $2,000 to $4,000 credit limit for your business. And there's no personal credit check to get approved for them, no personal guarantee as well. They report to Dun & Bradstreet, Experian Commercial, Equifax Business, and the Small Business Financial Exchange. So as you know, this is a trifecta, I call it, because they report to all 3 major business credit bureaus. So this is a very important vendor that if you're getting started out, you want to get a trade line reporting with all 3 major business credit bureaus. Shirtsy is a great company to get set up with. $99 annual membership and $2,000 to $4,000 credit limit. So that's another one here that we have to add to your repertoire of building business credit. Let's talk about the next one is Summa Office Supplies. This is another office supply vendor, kind of like your what do I like to say? Kind of like an Office Depot or a Staples, but it's everything they offer. You can get it here at Summa Office Supplies. So everything from filing folders, tape, pens, etc. The things you may need to stock up on items at your home office or on your corporate office, etc. But you obviously can find everything you need here for your office materials at Summa. So their entry point is really simple. They have a $60 initial purchase. That's all you have to buy. $2,000 credit limit is what they'll issue you. No personal credit check, no personal guarantee. So you see all these Net 30s, no personal credit check, no personal guarantee, and the reports to Dun & Bradstreet. So that's an easy approval Net 30 vendor. Now let's talk about the next one is Creative Analytics. So you go to net30tradeline.com. Now, what's a little different with Creative Analytics is this is a company that does, let me bring up their website here. they do more website design. They do search engine optimization. They have for those of you who are building your business and you have a website, obviously. They do logo design, social media marketing. So this is great because many times Net 30 vendors, you can only buy so many office products, right? But now you're going to need services like marketing. You're going to need services like building, maximizing, optimizing your website. So that's where creative analytics comes in. What's really exciting about this particular Net 30 account is they have a $79 yearly membership fee, but if you do their monthly program, then you can get to up to a $12,000 credit line. So they have monthly plans that include a lot of different services, or they have a $79 yearly membership. You do have to have a DUNS number, but with a $79 yearly membership, you at least get a $1,000 credit limit. Okay, but you can get up to a $12,000 credit limit when you enroll in some of their other packages. They have monthly packages that come with a lot of different services for marketing your business and growing your business, which is really, really exciting. No personal credit check though, no personal guarantee for this Net 30 account. And they do report to Equifax Business and Credit Safe. So majority of all these Net 30s that we're sharing with you, these easy approval ones, they all report to at least 2 bureaus. Some of them, only one of them reports to one that we share with you so far. So this is creative analytics. You go to net30tradeline.com. The next one is Ohana Office Supplies. I know this is another office supply vendor, but on their website, here's Ohana. They also offer office supplies, and it doesn't mean you have to set up Net 30 accounts with all these office supply companies. I get it, but again, we're just giving you some different options. But if you want to have multiple office lines, that's fine. They require a DUNS number. They require a minimum $80 tier 1 purchase. You're just going to click the bill My Net 30 when you check out. They give you a $2,000 credit limit. No personal credit check, no personal guarantee on this one. And they report to Equifax Business. So they report to one bureau for this particular one. So if you're more selective, say, you know what, I only want to get Net 30s that report to at least 2 bureaus or more, that's fine, but this is a great Net 30 for those of you who are looking for office products. NameMeNot is the next vendor that we want to talk about here, and what they offer, which is really, really exciting, is they actually offer digital marketing services. So on their website, so if you're looking for video production, you're looking for lead generation for your business, social media, website design, and marketing, this is the company to use for those services. So this is a really, you can go to their website, obviously look more about what they offer, but as far as their Net 30 accounts go, let's talk about that. They require you to have an employer identification number and a DUNS number, minimum 90 days in business. So majority of the other ones are 30 days in business. This one is 90 days in business. All right, and you got to have a professional company website. So you don't want to have a website that has like coming soon or anything like that. They actually want you to have a fully operational website before you can get a Net 30 account with them. So make sure you're established. We did talk about that at the very beginning, having your website set up. So you want to have that. They can offer up to a $10,000 credit limit. That, and keep in mind, they offer marketing services, lead generation. So that's really huge because not only can you use them to market your business, but you're building business credit as well. There's no personal credit check and no personal guarantee, and they report to Dun & Bradstreet. So that's another way for you to build up your D&B report. So NameMeNot is this easy approval Net 30 account. Okay, so the final one is Crown Office Supplies. That's net30vendor.com. I don't need to go to this website. Obviously, this is another office supply, so I know you get it. Office supplies, they offer a whole bunch of different services. Net30vendor.com, $99 setup fee for this Net 30. They give you a $2,000 credit limit. No personal credit check, no personal guarantee. They report to, again, all 3 major business credit bureaus. So this can be a really, really powerful Net 30 account to have. And help you further build up your business credit. So that's Crown Office Supply. So this is the best Net 30 accounts list we put together, the 8 easy approval ones. I know there's lots of other vendors out there. I put this list together because in my opinion, this is the easiest ones to get because there's a very limited barrier of entry, limited time in business, and the lowest cost, great products and services that your company can actually use. Okay, so with that, if you like this list, give us a thumbs up and feel free to give us comments and subscribe to our channel. That way we always share with you new videos coming out. You'll know when we come out with new videos about building business credit, getting funding, and maximizing your personal and business credit. Feel free to check out our website, businesscreditbuilders.org. What we offer is we have a do-it-yourself business credit building system. We also have done-for-you funding, where we actually acquire business credit funding for you, for your company. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make it a great day. We'll talk to you really soon.